Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel for baking. Now in the last video I showed you how to make some chalk brownie muffins. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make some cranberry and muesli muffins with something that isn't used as a recipe tutorial. First of all is to sift the self-raising flour, which is 300 grams. This is a gluten-free self-raising flour, which this is from the pack. And also 1.5 teaspoons of mixed spice and a pinch of salt. This is cooking salt. And sift all of this together. Stir the 3 ingredients together. And then add caster sugar, which is 175 grams. And muesli, which I reserve for the topping, for the sprinkling, I should say. Then make a well in the centre of the mixed dry ingredients. And then blend in 125 grams of melted butter. One egg. And 6 tablespoons of full fat milk. Mix that until it forms like a thick batter. Next of all is add 10 tablespoons of cranberry sauce, and this is a cranberry juice drink. And fold it in the batter. Next of all is to divide the batter into separate muffins. Next of all, and sprinkle the muesli over the muffins. Remaining muesli. This is a muffins that has been divided into paper cases. Now I preheated the oven to 190 degrees C and bake these muffins for 30 to 35 minutes until they're risen and lightly golden. So pause the video. Now I'm going to show you what it's like after it's done. These are the muffins that are turned out to be like after coming out of the oven. So these have come out golden. Now I'll show you how to make these muffins that I never suggested as a recipe before. Now these are flavoured as cranberry, as also as the muesli and cranberry. Also, the scent of the mixed spice has smelled like Christmassy. So if you enjoyed this recipe, just try the muffins and see what you think, and subscribe if you want to make more recipe videos, and like if you found this interesting. Now for this next, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.